I need you guys to share and duet and blow up this video. Send it to Instagram outside of TikTok as well, okay? Because I've made this video and TikTok took it down. Let me show you guys what's happening in Egypt right now. You guys see all these trucks? This is humanitarian aid. Egypt has been holding aid, food, and everything that Palestinian needs at their border for Israel to open the doors for them to go and help the Palestinians. And Israel has not opened the door. It's been days, and they promised to open the doors today, and they haven't. Look at all these trucks. This is aid from international. Everyone online has been donating money to help the people of Palestine and Gaza. Look at this. This is everybody's aid and everybody's donations that Egyptians have prepared into this truck to help Palestinians, and Israel refused to open the doors for them to go and help the Palestinians. Look, the Egyptians they were sleeping there for days. They have been camping, they have been lying on the floor, waiting for the doors to open to help the Palestinians. Look, this is what's happening. This is what Israel is doing. Because they refused to open the doors, now Egyptians started protesting. And even the leaders of Egypt have told the people to go out and protest. Because, look, they have literally told Israel, open the doors. They said no. People are protesting. This is outrageous. You don't want these people to leave Palestine so that they can be refugees around the world and be protected. You don't want them to leave. You want to bomb and kill these people. And secondly, you don't want no one to help them, no one to give them food and water. What is wrong with the Israeli people? This is wickedness. This is evil. These people are demonic. People have to literally protest for you to open a door to help people that are in need, that you are killing and bombing. Israel is a terrorist country. It's a terrorist government. And I cannot believe this. So I need you guys to share this video, blow it up, send it to Instagram and above, because they're trying to silence me and every other creator. So you guys make this video go viral and send it outside of TikTok as well. Like, share it so that if anything happens, at least the message is out there. This is what they're doing. They don't want to let any help for Palestinians to come in. Israel is the worst of the worst, demonic people.